What up guys, it is What's Short, and today I have a very special unboxing. It is the Sink or Swim coin from Peter McKinnon and Captain Kirk. This is going to be something very unique to unbox because I heard it was packaged in water. So we're going to unbox this. Alright, so now we got the nice drop. Let's crack this open and see how the coin looks. It did say fly the flag over here, faded. I mean, it probably wasn't faded, but this is why we have pocket knives. Here we go. So this looks really cool, reflective, and this really is packaged in water. Do you guys see this? That's crazy. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna take a few pictures for my Instagram to like throw this up at. Okay, I'm done taking the pictures, just setting it up. Anyways, so this thing has all the water inside of it right now. If you can see it move, you probably can. That is crazy. So this is one of those like unique packages that I was talking about in my other video that Peter McKinnon does. So we'll take that off. So as you guys can see, this coin is actually wrapped in plastic, which is really nice. So I was always wondering, like, wouldn't this decay in a water bag? But if it's wrapped in plastic, it should be good. So we're gonna cut this open and take this coin. I like that it's thick. I think it could stand up straight. Yeah, it definitely can stand up straight. So this is gonna be awesome for taking pictures with. Sink or swim. So give me a second. I'm gonna cut this open. So this is the coin itself. You got the sink or swim. This coin can stand up on its own, so it's gonna be great for taking pictures. And I do like the packaging. So this is the packaging. Really simple. This coin was $78, I believe, that I paid for it at least. So yeah, is it worth it? For me it is. Not for a lot of people, but I love this for photography. A lot of really cool images can come from this. And yeah, I thought it was awesome. This has been an interesting unboxing. Water and packaging is really not something you see all the time. But yeah, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.